My name is Begonia, and I just finished watching that video on the Fort Worth Magical Creature Center. It was sure great. It was so magical. I just applied for a summer internship to work there. I sure hope I get in. Unfortunately, I'm a squib. That means I'm from a magical family, but I just never ended up doing magic. But it's okay. The people there laughed at me. They said that all I could do was pick up unicorn poop. But they don't know, but I think unicorn poop is beautiful. Anyways, I might be magically challenged, but I sure do love magical creatures. In fact, I just found this little creature outside in my backyard. I'm not magical, you crazy lady. Oh yeah, if you're not magical, then how come you can talk? My name is Asha and I'm just very highly educated. Oh, I still think you're a magical creature. Just look at you. You look so weird with your big bulgy eyes and crazy unibrow. That's weird. You're getting me angry. Oh, I don't want to see you angry. You don't know what angry looks like. Quick, we need to use our squib magic and get him to sleep. My squib magic is music. Join me, my friend, you can delight in the legendary creatures of night. Here we will explore the beasts. They can do all the magic feats. Creatures large and small, divine. Creatures, won't you all be mine? Creatures was my heart of gold. I want to learn more about you. Yay! Did that put him to sleep? Let's go ahead and check. Ooh, I have to be really quiet. Oh. Yay, we did it! See, even though you're limited magically, you can use imagination and creativity to create magic. Yay! Anyways, being a squib doesn't always stop you from doing what you want. For me, anything is possible in the realm of creativity and play. All right, well, since I can't get my hands on any other magical creatures until I get accepted, I'm going to go ahead and make some magical creatures of my own. Would you like to join me? Come and join me. It'll be fun.
Shoo! Shoo! Step 1. Find a stuffed animal that you'd like to transform into a magical creature. Here, I have Aussie. Hey, Aussie, wake up! Hey, what happened? Aussie, it's me, Begonia. I caught you in my yard and I used a singing song to lull you to sleep. Those are my magic powers. Oh yeah, I remember that song. It was sung okay, a little out of tune, but it was good enough. Why am I here? I'm going to use you and turn you into a magical creature by using everyday household items. Do you want to play with me? Yeah, I think that'd be fun. Woohoo! You know, I'm a chicken, but I can't fly very well. Can you make me some magical wings? I think that would be very lovely. Oh, okay, sure. I'll make magical wings for you and your stuffed animal friends. What you'll need is paper. We have some paper, some scissors, and you can either attach it to your stuffed animal by using either tape or, with parent guidance, a safety pin. Using these materials, you can turn any creature into a magical creature. No magic needed. So, first step is we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in half. And this is a great way to make wings. So we fold that paper in half, and what you can do is take your stuffed animal and kind of hold the paper up to it and imagine if that's a good size. So we're going to make wings right here. I think that's a good size for Aussie. Then we're going to make a letter B with our scissors right here to make wings. Beautiful butterfly wings. 1 bump and 2 bumps. Here we go. I have a letter B, and because I folded it, I can open it, and ta-da! They're wings. Okay, so if you don't have a safety pin, go ahead and tape that to your stuffed animal. Tape is just fine, right? You can use tape, but I'm going to show you how to use a safety pin, and you might need a parent to help watch you and make sure that you don't poke yourself. So be very careful. But take the safety pin, stick it in once, push, here we go, and ask for consent from your animal. Ashi, can I put the wings on you? Go ahead, put the wings on me. Okay, thank you for your consent. I'm going to stick the pin into Ashi, and then, ta-da! I'm going to poke it back out. And now we've attached these beautiful wings to Aussie. Hey, I love it.
Well, there you have it, Aussie. Now you have beautiful butterfly wings. Oh, I love it. Look at that. I am a magical creature. What other things can you make, Begonia? Oh, I don't know. Let me pull this out. This is something I made. Ooh, can you guess what that is? Yeah, it is a unicorn horn. You can add it to whatever stuffed animal you'd like, and they can turn into a magical creature. Would you like to see my friend, the pug, turn pugicorn? Pugicorn, half dog and half magic. I made it out of this fabric. With your brain and creativity, you can dream so brilliantly with me. That was great. My pugicorn sure is musical. Remember that you too have magical powers at home. You can use paper and creativity to turn any stuffed animal into a magical creature. Be sure to post your images of magical creatures in the comments below. I would love to meet them. As always, citizens of Fort Worth can sign up for digital library cards by going to the fortworthlibrary.org website. This is Begonia. And remember that your limitations can be overcome with imagination and creativity. I might not be magical, but I can be imaginative. Anyways, I hope to see you soon. Bye!